made it. 200 subscribers. Wanted to do something for 100 subscribers, but never got the chance to do it. Just didn't have any ideas or the time or the ideas. I figure 200 is a pretty big achievement, or at least in my small world it is. Oh, I thought there may be better ways to show my appreciation to each and every one of you. But I figured I'd do it this way. 200 air horn salute. 200 little tugs. There's number one. Well, there you have it. 200 air horn salute. Trust me, there's 200 in there. There's multiples as in but there's 200 in there. I thank each and every one of you for making me feel important. You like me. You really like me. And, well, here's one more for 200 more.